I am going to insert the blackest material on Earth inside a vintage lens to make it 10 times better. This is a cinema projector lens, a very rare 70mm f1.6 lens used to project images on a screen. But this kind of lens has exceptional characteristics when used to capture images on a digital sensor. I love to use vintage projector lenses on my full-frame camera, because these lenses can create dreamlike images with breathtaking swirly bokeh. But one big problem with any projector lens is that they were not made to capture images, but to project images. The insides of the lens are made of shiny metal that is highly reflective. When you project light through the barrel of the lens, this shiny surface does not affect the projected image. But when you capture light the other way, these reflections create a final image that is washed out and have a general lack of contrast. In the past, I corrected these problems in my editing program by grading the footage. However, I want to lose less data and to get a better contrasted image. Benoît Berthiaud, a French manufacturer, was known for producing high-quality cinema projector lenses. This lens was designed for 16mm film projectors. The lens itself has no diaphragm and no focusing system. I need to fit this tube inside an helicoid adapter. I 3D printed a ring that will fit perfectly inside the adapter. Now I can focus from infinity to macro. This is how the footage looks like out of the camera. As you can see, we can do better for contrast. To reduce reflections, I'm going to create a black hole lens using the darkest material on Earth. Lens flocking is a process used to minimize stray light reflections and improve image quality for precision optical instruments such as telescopes and cameras. The flocking material is designed to absorb incoming light, preventing it from bouncing around inside the optical system and causing unwanted reflections or glare. This material is typically made of tiny fibers that are densely packed and have a matte or velvety appearance. I did several experiments with the blackest material on Earth, the Mozu Black, an experimental material made in Japan that absorbs 99.9% of visible light. With the large version of this material, I created the blackest backdrop ever made. I asked the company behind this material to send me a version of it that could fit inside the lens and be used as flock. And they sent me the new experimental fine shot Kiwami, a self-adhesive version that absorbs 99.9% of light and can stick inside the barrel of the lens. The first step is to remove the rear lens. The inside of the barrel is highly reflective. To get a better access, I'm using a lens wrench and a lens sucker to remove the front lens. I put links to all the tools I will use in the description. I am taking measurements to create a model of the surface I need to cover the inside of the tube. Now I have an almost perfect fit. I need to make another model for the larger ring that is just behind the front lens. Now that I have two clean models, I am using them to cut the Kiwami material. the first ring in place, you can already see a big difference. Reflections are gone. Now it's time to clean and put back the lenses in place. And now let's see the results in camera without any post-processing. The contrast has greatly improved. There is no more noticeable glare, and colors are more saturated. I'm going to do the same thing for all my projector lenses for sure. If you found this video inspiring, make sure to hit that like button. I will soon post a video course about adapting projector lenses for incredible bokeh. So don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell to know when the course is live. If you want to keep exploring the world of vintage projector lenses, you should check this playlist.